Привіт-привіт, my dear students. My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In today's video lesson, we're going to learn with you together some vocabulary. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments below. What other vocabulary would you like to learn? Please write the topics and I will make more and more useful video lessons for you. So guys, we have already learned with you common Ukrainian phrases, adjectives, and now it's time to learn 20 common Ukrainian adverbs of time. I have already recorded a video lesson about the adjectives and adverbs and what is actually the difference between them. Please check it out here. And there are different categories of adverbs, and in this video we will focus specifically on adverbs of time. So let's learn very useful words. Let's get it started. The first word is вчора, yesterday. Вчора. Позавчора means the day before yesterday. Позавчора. Сьогодні, today. Сьогодні. Завтра, tomorrow. Завтра. The day after tomorrow means післязавтра. Післязавтра. The next word is зараз. Now. Зараз. Цієї миті. At this moment. Цієї миті. Часто. Often. Часто. Рідко. Seldom. Рідко. Негайно. Immediately. Негайно. Скоро. Soon. Скоро. Інколи. Sometimes. Інколи. Потім. Then. Потім. Пізніше. Later. Пізніше. Досі. Still. Досі. Ще. Yet. Ще. Останнім часом or нещодавно. Recently, lately. Останнім часом нещодавно. Вранці, вдень, увечері, вночі. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. Вранці, день, увечері, вночі. Сьогодні вранці, today in the morning. Вчора увечері, yesterday in the evening. Let's repeat one more time the last expressions. Сьогодні вранці, вчора увечері. Наступного тижня, next week. Of course, you can change this words and you can say наступного дня, наступного місяця, наступного року, next day, next month, next year. And the last expression, тому. It means ago. Тому. Okay guys, that's it. I hope it was very useful lesson for you and you learned new vocabulary. Please watch this video one more time, repeat after me, write down all the useful phrases and make examples with them. If you want to learn Ukrainian language, I invite you to check out my school Speak Ukrainian at the website speaka.com, where you can check out very useful courses, one-on-one lessons, textbooks and flashcards. And guys, if you want to find more video lessons with me, then please subscribe to my Instagram account Speak Ukrainian Language. And if you like my YouTube channel, please support it on patreon.com. All the links you will find in the description of this video. Побачимось скоро. See you soon. Your teacher Ina and Papa. Bye bye.